Get across, just logging down, position.
The whaler's security ship has followed the Steve Irwin and the Bridget Bardot into Australian waters for the first time. So Captain Paul Watson has ordered a small boat mission to try and plug the Shonan Maru's cooling vents. They hope the plugs will cause the engines to overheat and disable the ship, allowing the Irwin to hunt once again for the mothership.
The cooling water outlets on the Shonan Maru are below the waterline, so that we have to get in when that pipe is exposed. You pretty much had to stick your hand between the ship and the rib. Anybody's hand could get caught. Any wave could throw me into the ship.